I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I'm being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Okay, this is the website. My boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. Yeah, I would add your photos in this gallery link, this link, okay? And same with the contact details that you have. We can also add it here. We can add the map as well there. Now, if you have any other information about the services that you're offering, we can also add it here, this link. And also about the company, also this link. If this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit the reply, let me know. If not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention, my name is Julie and I am working at Asian Puma Marketing and Red Deer. Talk to you soon. Thank you.